if you want to create the Memoji on the Apple Watch, you can actually do that by opening your Apple Watch applications, and you have to search for Memoji. It's available just over here under the medications and above the messages. So to create the new one, you have to click on the plus, and now you can find the preview, so you can change skin, hairstyle, brows, eyes, and so and so. So let's say I want to change my hairstyle, like this one, for example. By swiping into the left side, we can also change its color, highlight style. And now if I'm gonna click on it, this is the preview with also the animation. When I'm gonna click back, I can click on the right upper corner to apply those changes. And as you can see, now I got 2 Memojis on my Apple Watch. Yeah, that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.